In 1963, agricultural engineering faculty at the University of Kentucky were working with rural electric cooperatives on an event to demonstrate to farmers in the region the potential of modern machinery, particularly electrical equipment, designed to make their work easier. That October, they filled a tobacco warehouse in Lexington with exhibits and models. The 1963 Farmstead Mechanization Exposition was a big hit. So the next year, they planned a second farm implement show at the Penny Ryle Fairgrounds in Hopkinsville. The region was abuzz with the fresh ideas delivered at these events. A planning committee looking to the future realized that the need extended far beyond the region, and no national farm equipment show had been created to fill that need. The state-of-the-art Kentucky Fair and Exposition Center in Louisville, completed in 1956, was designed with major ag shows in mind. Located within a day's drive of the nation's agricultural belts, new highways led right to it, and a new airport was just a stone's throw away. The first National Farm Machinery Show opened on February 15, 1966, the time of year when farmers began to plan for the next growing season. 86 vendors showcased their wares in the West Wing, and national speakers invited attendees to imagine a modern, efficient, and productive future. The early National Farm Machinery shows were promoted by word of mouth and grassroots means. The show manager mailed tens of thousands of tickets to county agents, equipment dealers, farm bureaus, and banks. Community groups far and wide booked charter buses bound for the Expo Center each February. By the third year, attendance had topped 100,000, and the show was living up to its national name. The show logo was adopted that year, featuring familiar imagery of mid-century farming, the plow, disc, and tillage time. But reflected on that moldboard was a space-age tractor of the future. It was the right place at the right time. No-till and modern conservation farming were first developed in Kentucky in the 1960s, so the National Farm Machinery Show became a giant classroom for what has been called the quiet revolution in agriculture. The right idea at the right time. What started as experimental space-age ideas soon became the driving innovations of American farming, and the National Farm Machinery Show was the one place to see them all. The farm show was further elevated to must-see status in 1969 when the first championship tractor pull was added to the program. The championship tractor pull has evolved to become the longest-running and the largest indoor tractor pull in the world. The show continued to grow with help from the North American Farm Show Council, the Farm Equipment Manufacturers Association, Farm Industry News, Farm Journal, and corporate sponsors. The 1960s through the 1990s marked the key development period for technologies that transform farming. Technologies that hit the market at astonishing speed. Weather communications, alternative fuels, hydraulics, and more powerful engines, onboard computers, automated systems, and robotics, new agricultural chemicals and ways to target their application in the field, GPS satellites and receivers, GMO seeds. The National Farm Machinery Show has continued to grow as the Exposition Center has grown. We commemorate the 60th National Farm Machinery Show in 2026 as the nation celebrates its 250th birthday, and as the Kentucky Exposition Center advances its largest expansion projects in history. In this new and exciting age, precision farming, genetic sequencing, automation, and AI technologies shape the future of agriculture. But wherever the future leads us, you can rest assured that the National Farm Machinery Show will be there to prepare you for it all.